So one of the things that you can do inside of Affinity is go ahead and create it out facing pages as well if you want a proper document setup. So to do that, I'm here in the layout section so I can actually see my pages. And to create a new project with facing pages, you can simply go to File and then click on New right here. And once you do that, you can choose the type of paper right here, just like this. And then over here on the right hand side, you can see multi-page as an option. You need to go ahead and enable this. And then over here, you can see that you can enable facing pages as well. And choose where the page actually starts from as well. And change the number of pages as needed. So once you go ahead right there and click on Create Document, then you will see the pages right here, just like this, the multiple pages around over here. You can actually work around with it in vector, pixel, and layout, whatever mode you're in. But in the layout, you can actually see like the facing pages right here. If you want to go ahead and change how this facing pages actually works, you can actually go around over here onto document setup right here. And then what you can do now is over here, the facing pages is turned on. You can go ahead and turn it off right here, just like this. You can go around over here and then turn it on again as needed. And then around over here, you can even go ahead and change the facing pages to vertical as well. And this is what you have. As you can see, you got vertical pages right here, which are attached to one another. Apart from that, you can go around onto document setup right here. And then you can see that you can go ahead and let's say, for example, start the page at top or bottom right here. So you can see like on the in the beginning right here, you can go ahead and keep it on the top itself right here. But if you want the bottom page to be the start, you can go ahead and then make it bottom right here, just like this, so that the first page is blank. Apart from that, let me just go around over here onto document setting. Let's just do horizontal facing pages right here. And then I can go ahead and set it to start on right so that the first page is on the right. But apart from that, you can go ahead and then set the first page to left as well. And as you do that now, you can see that the first page has been set to left. So this is basically how you can go ahead and create out facing pages as necessary inside of Affinity to work around with multiple page projects. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.